In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a simple before and after image in Canva. Essentially, there is going to be a set of two images, one on the left and the other is on the right. And the subject of the photo will be the same, but the condition would be different. This is particularly useful if you want to show a, let's say, before or after doing something or after adding something into the picture. So it's very easy to create, and before I show you how you can do that, I do recommend to just use whatever template available in Canva. You can navigate to the design option and search for before after, and you will find a lot of nice looking templates where you could use the design, and then you could just change the photo to your own photo. And I do recommend using this technique because it's just simple, it's easier, it's faster, and also the design is going to be prettier because these designs are created by people who are pro in this particular basically they are the pro at creating good designs. But in case you are interested to design your own before and after template, then here's how. So I guess I'm going to try to emulate this design. This is very simple and we can create something like this. And let's add a new page. So let's add elements and search for frame. On the frame section, you want to select the frames type that appropriate for your design. I'm going to select this one, and let's put this on the left and make sure it occupies half of the canvas, and maybe a bit less because we want to create a gap in the middle, or maybe we don't have to, we can do it later. Let's duplicate, and now we have two images, but I'm going to add a line, just a simple vertical line. On the shape, you can select that option, and let's rotate it to 90 degrees. Sorry about that. Now I'm going to put it in the middle. Let's make it way longer, and there you go. So that's one example, and I guess we can add some label here, or just some piece of text. It's nothing special, it's very simple. So it's going to be before, and let's make it a bit bigger. I'm going to apply some effects so it will have a simple background. Let's use the color white as a background. Let's make it bold, and I'm going to make it a bit smaller. Okay, now I'm going to just duplicate the text. Let's put it here. Okay, you want to make sure it's exactly roughly in the middle. Now change it to after. And for some effects, I'm going to change the text color to white, and the background is going to be black, so we'll have that contrast. Now we basically done with the template, and now we can populate the photo with something. So I want to add a picture of apples. Let's go to photos, and let's use this picture. Rotten apples. That's not nice, but yeah, that's one simple way you can do that. So yeah, that's how you can create a simple before and after template in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.